Masquera saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karike kutandika koko hapa nino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa garo ka subscribe, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Zimbabwe takwigirai nyashamisa vazhinji nyabuditswa neZim Live yo yabuda chitaura iyo ichiti there are two security breaches akaitika on two separate days kumba kwa the nephew of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, we are now the Deputy Finance Minister David Kudakwashe Mnangagwa. So Zurkunzi, these incidents there is an intruder nakapinda the Deputy Finance Minister David Mnangagwa KuBorrowdale. So Zurkunzi an incident akaitika on 25 June, an intruder we are near the police, a ghost rider, and that has here 6 cartridges, 3 outside Mnangagwa's main bedroom door, and 3 on the lawn outside Imba ya Mnangagwa. So Zukunzi Kumba Imba guarded by 2 police officers according to Zim Live. So Zurunzi the first breach ekaitika June 23 around 10 p.m. hapo Mnangagwa aiona TV nemkadzi wake as the police officers akadedza police officers after anzwa unusual sounds on ceiling. So the officers vakasurveya the house and the perimeter but hapana chavakawana. So Mnangagwa arunza akadedza zvakare officers a second time at around 11:50 p.m. and asked them to check the roof, but so zvokunzi paroof apa they found a bag yanga reloaded nezvinhu Deputy Minister, including my documents angakabharurwa ne2 Apple MacBook laptops and a Mac iPad iyo irunzi yairatidza kuti inge yakadamagedwa zviri deliberate. So the Deputy Minister, according to the sources, zvirunzi the items angatorwa from his main bedroom akaudzwa zvakare kunzi his gun a 9mm Beretta pistol yanga 15 live cartridges yanga iri missing pamwechete ne$500 United States cash yanga iri mubag make. So zvimunzi mukitchen this intruder akapinda zvakare akatora a loaf of bread akaridampa akarivhura akaridampa pafloor near the door. Zvimunzi zvakare this intruder akaenda mugarage akanocheka the headrest yemota yaMnangagwa ingapakwa mugarage Land Rover Defender. So zvikunzi the police yakaenda kuno investigate this property on 24 June, but zvikunzi there was no trace of the suspect and papasina evidence of any forced entry. So zvikunzi vakaenda even near the K9 unit but hapana chavakawana. Then zvakare zvikunzi na 7:30 a.m. musi 26 June an 8-year-old son wa Deputy Minister akaenda to his parents' bedroom and zvikunzi panga kuda kunoka on the door akaona a live cartridge yanga iri on the floor and zvikunzi mapurisa akadedzwa. So zvikunzi my investigators akwanisa kulocate 3 cartridges within 2 meters of the door and zvakare pane 3 cartridges angari mulon outside the property the Deputy Minister. So the source challenge the police are certain that the live cartridge inside the house were definitely not there when they attended the first incident, and the 2 incidents have left police thinking that they are chasing a ghost rider, because how is it possible to twice enter a house guarded by armed force officers and then vanish into thin air? And the police, according to Zim Live, the police spokesperson, Assistant Commissioner Ponyati Zurgunzi, he was busy contactwa on this matter. Wakabuda on their website vachitaura vachiti police have been left baffled after 2 security breaches on 2 separate days at Borrowdale home of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's nephew and Deputy Finance Minister David Kudakwashe Mnangagwa. In the latest incident on June 25, an intruder whom police are dubbing the Ghost Rider left 6 cartridges, 3 outside Mnangagwa's main bedroom door, and 3 on the lawn outside the double-story property on Camel Road, which is guarded by 2 police officers. Sources told Zim Live. The first breach took place on June 23 at around 10 p.m. when Mnangagwa, who was watching TV with his wife, called the police officers after hearing unusual noises coming from the ceiling. The officers surveyed the house and the perimeter but saw nothing suspicious. Mnangagwa called the officers a second time at around 11:50 p.m. and asked them to check the roof. There, officers found a bag loaded with some of the deputy minister's possessions, including torn documents and 2 Apple MacBook laptops and a MacBook iPad, which appeared to have been deliberately damaged. The deputy minister, according to sources, said all the items had been taken from his bedroom. He also informed officers that his gun, a 9mm Beretta pistol with 15 live cartridges, was missing, together with $500 cash which was in the bag. In the kitchen, the intruder had retrieved a loaf of bread from the kitchen unit and dumped it on the floor near the door. In one final bizarre act, the intruder went to the garage and cut the driver's headrest of Mnangagwa's parked Land Rover Defender. Police swarmed the property on June 24, including a canine unit, but there was no trace of the suspect and no evidence of any forced entry, Zim Live understands. And then, just after 7:30 a.m. on June 26, the deputy minister's 8-year-old son went on his parents' bedroom. As he was about to knock on the door, he saw a live cartridge lying on the floor and police were called. Investigators managed to locate 3 cartridges within 2 meters of the door and further 3 on the lawn outside the property. Police are certain that the live cartridges inside the house were definitely not there when they attended the first incident, a source said. The 2 incidents have left police thinking they are chasing a ghost rider, because how is it possible to twice enter a house guarded by armed officers and then vanish into thin air? Police spokesperson, Assistant Commissioner Paul Nyati, initially said he was busy and later did not take our calls. That is Zim Live reporter. This incident yashambisa vanhu vazhinji muri Zimbabwe. Tisingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi tiudze zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.